Corp. Bain Company, General Electric, Elliott Management, Bain Capital, HIG Capital, Deloitte LLP, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Barclays, Wells Fargo, Kirkland Ellis, Citigroup Inc, Credit Suisse Group, Morgan Stanley, JPMorgan Chase Company, Jerry Perenchio, Sandra Edgerley, Paul B Edgerley, Louis Moore Bacon, Richard E Marriott, Goldman Sachs, Chris Shumway, Kenneth C, Griffin, Hamm, Frank L, VanderSloot, John Paulson, Edward Conard, John Kleinhenz, Julian Robertson, Bill Koch, Bob J. Perry, Sheldon Adelson.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.